so pretty out here. Oh, there's a rainbow. Don't know if you can see that. That's so cool. A rainbow over my greenhouse. It's really early. Just woke up and everything was so orange out here. Really hard to see it on camera, but it's beautiful. So we finished up the footing on the greenhouse and the garage side wall. Got it all sealed up, and I'm going to paint to finish up this section. I'm going to paint the footing today in between rain. Let me show you how beautiful this looks. Can you see that rainbow? Right there. That's amazing. So we've got the 2x4s there with the expanding foam, and that will seal up this side. We just put plywood all around on the inside of the greenhouse, and then I caulked all the way around, and then we'll just paint that and call it good until spring, and then we'll do the outside next year, which will be the corrugated metal. So close. I cannot wait. Door's all tight. All the rain. So this is the inside of the greenhouse. Some spray foam there. So it just closes that gap. Same thing over there. So this will all be black. I think that we are going to be pretty much done, aside from sealing up any cracks or holes. But going into our next video, today we're going to work on all the rest of the holes. All these areas up here, and any of the gaps underneath the windows. And after that, we need to do the expanding foam all up in the roof and any of the cracks throughout the windows, or just anywhere. Just fill it up or fill it in and seal it up. I was able to find some black expanding foam on Amazon, so I'm really excited that I won't have to paint after I do that. I used white expanding foam in some areas that I need to paint anyway. We're just about done. I can't wait. I can't believe every time I look out my bedroom window I can see this beautiful structure. So I'm gonna finish up painting, and it'll be good for this video.